Weatherman here for the one and only Ziploc. Something fishy going on in your refrigerator? Nothing works like Ziploc brand storage bags. Ziploc has the Gripper Zipper, the only bag with tough, tiny teeth. You can feel it gripping, so you know freshness is locked in, odor is locked out. That's a good feeling you only get from Ziploc. Sorry I had to point fingers there, fella. For fresh food, there's only one, Ziploc.
Keeping your yard beautiful is pretty tough if you're watering with an old sprinkler like this one. It leaves dry spots in some places, messy puddles in others. Rainbird's new Dancing Waters changes all that. It throws water with a unique pulsing action that sprinkles evenly, much like rain. And because they're so durable, Rainbird backs every Dancing Water sprinkler with a 10-year warranty.
Dancing Waters by Rainbird. For a dealer near you, call 800-866-3288.
Afraid swimsuit season will reflect badly on you? Then make the under 200-calorie Kellogg's Special K breakfast part of your diet plan. And get the shape that reflects the way you want to be. Kellogg's Special K. Lose that winter fat.
Red Devil enamel. You can always count on its durable finish. Harder than ordinary paints, its beauty lasts and lasts. Red Devil enamel for the finish of a lifetime.
The Sony Handicam camcorder. It can play back on any TV. So you can watch what you shot on vacation, even while you're still on vacation. For easy playback on any TV, the answer is Sony, without question.
For many people, alcohol is an obsession that often results in anxiety, depression, or other emotional problems. It's okay to ask for help. I did.
Call Woodridge now.
For cleaning, shining, and disinfecting, nothing outperforms us in the bathroom. Dow Bathroom Cleaner, starring Scrubbing Bubbles. We work hard so you don't have to.
International Hour continues, followed by Early Prime after this local commercial break. Next on CNN.
A lot of people have been staying up to watch the late news. These days, it's important to stay informed. If you're going to keep up with current events, impress your colleagues at the office, or engage in stimulating conversation. Fortunately, there's a network that lets you stay up on the news.
Any questions?
Without staying up. CNN Headline News, the latest news, business, and sports around the clock.
The New Yorker. It's been called the best magazine in the world, probably the best magazine that ever was. See if you agree. Call this number and get 52 weekly issues of The New Yorker for just $25.95. That's $65 off the cover price. Week after week, the quality of The New Yorker speaks for itself. So call 1-800-257-1257 for 52 weekly issues of the best magazine in the world. Yes, The New Yorker.
At 84 Lumber, we still believe in the American dream. So we've developed a way to make building your own home an affordable reality. 84 affordable homes across America, the most complete home building package on the market. Priced from $39.9 to $69.9. Now is the time to build. Our team of home specialists will work with you from start to finish. Begin today by visiting an 84 Lumber near you or call 1-800-359-8484.
Hi, I'm Cecil Bond of Sears Brand Central, and our Carnival of Value sale is so special, it only happens once a year. So come in now for big savings.
On hundreds of items, like this 386SX Packard Bell 20 megahertz computer with a 105 megabyte hard drive, save $100. Or this GE dishwasher with pot scrubber and energy saving cycle, just $299.99. And there's much more.
So hurry to Sears Brand Central. The Carnival of Values ends Saturday.
Investors, accept this giant 2,000-page reference as a gift. It brings you Valueline's new full-page research reports on 1,700 stocks and shows 100 top-ranked stocks for year-ahead price performance, plus 400 worst-ranked stocks to avoid now. And to stay ahead of the market, you'll receive 10 weeks of complete Valueline service, now only $55. Call 800-521-3436 now for Barron's Dictionary of Finance and Investment Terms as an extra bonus. 800-521-3436. Call now.
Today, millions of Miracle-Gro gardeners are getting wonderful results with this amazing invention, the Miracle-Gro no-clog garden feeder. It's the fastest, easiest feeder I've ever used. Well, now you can use it to feed your lawn, because now there's Miracle-Gro lawn food. It makes lawn care so easy. Just drop in and spray on. You'll feed your whole lawn in minutes. You'll see lush green results in days. Stern's Miracle-Gro lawn food for a Miracle-Gro lawn you'll be proud of.
Here's something you should know. Athlete's foot fungus grows beneath the surface of your skin. So to cure it, you've got to get down to the root of the problem, to the source of that burning and itching. You need Micatin.
Micatin penetrates the surface of your skin with miconazole to cure athlete's foot where it grows.
Oh, thanks.
So why treat just the surface?
Get down to the cure. Step up to the mic. Micatin.
Good service is a commitment.
Arnold Palmer for Jiffy Lube.
It's a promise to do more.
Complete 14-point service always.
And to give more.
Jiffy Lube certified technicians professionally trained.
It's knowing what to put your trust in.
The performance, protection, and quality of Pennzoil.
When others put their trust in you.
Jiffy Lube takes care of your new car warranty.
At Jiffy Lube, we do your car a great service.
Recently, DuPont announced that its energy unit Conoco would pioneer the use of new double-hulled oil tankers in order to safeguard the environment. The response has been overwhelmingly positive. DuPont, better things for better living.
We were having fun until Thomas put in our new money management program.
Select your investments.
All these investment categories popped up.
Stocks, bonds, T-bills.
That's easy. We only have one.
Why?
That's when I wondered, does everyone have all these?
Common sense says any investment plan should be diversified, and Fidelity Investments, America's largest mutual fund company, can make it easy.
Last night, it really hit us.
This place sounds like Wall Street tonight.
We can barely keep up with our work, let alone our investments. That's when I decided I'm going to find something that can do it all.
I'm going to do some research.
You can make just one investment in Fidelity Asset Manager, a mutual fund that gradually adjusts its portfolio for changing markets with no sales charge. It can be great for an IRA, too. So call Fidelity now for a free fact kit on how to diversify in one easy step with Fidelity Asset Manager. Call 1-800-356-8100. Fidelity Investments. Common sense. Uncommon results.
If you're always looking for the best seat in the house, you gotta know the name Lazy Boy. But did you know that at Brevard's locally owned Lazy Boy showcase shops, you'll find really affordable prices on a complete selection of genuine Lazy Boy furniture, sofas, sleep sofas, modular units, and of course our famous Lazy Boy recliners, priced from only $299. Surprisingly affordable and all available in a large variety of colors, styles, and fabrics. Visit your local Lazy Boy showcase shop today in Cocoa or Milford and find out how affordable the best seat in the house can be.
The word at Abbott Realty is action. The homes on your TV screen are priced right to sell now. We have many homes in all price ranges from the 20s up. If you're thinking buy, sell, or rent in Barefoot Bay, Snug Harbor, or anywhere in East Central Florida, call the Action Team at Abbott Realty. 664-1100. That's 664-1100. Or stop in and talk to one of our Action salespeople at 305 Barefoot Boulevard, right next to the firehouse.
Brothers and fellow mountain goats, this year's recipient of the treasured Black Horn Award, Richard Lynch. Come on up here, Dick.
What are you doing this weekend that's so important you can't take a little time to test your home for radon? After all, it is the second leading cause of lung cancer, and a radon test kit is inexpensive. You could pick one up on your way to the lodge.